Now take a look at this channel. First of all, check the views on these videos: 4.8 million, 5.8 million, 13 million, 3.5 million, 6.3 million, all millions of views. If you scroll down, you will see that all videos are getting millions of views, even up to 40 million views on some videos. And guys, the video you are watching on the screen, I created this using a free AI tool, and I will show you further how I made it. First of all, preview this video.
Said, today I will be productive. I made a to-do list with 10 tasks. Step 1, clean my room. But then I found my old headphones. Let me just check one song. One song turned into 10. Then I got hungry. I'll just eat quickly. That turned into a full meal, plus snacks, plus scrolling. Now it was afternoon. I looked at my list again. Still 10 tasks, 0 done. I sighed. Okay, now I'll start.
So guys, now you have previewed the video, let's move to the master prompt. So guys, for you, I have already prepared a master prompt. The link is in the description, simply copy it. Then come to ChatGPT and paste it there. Once you paste it, ChatGPT will first generate the story. Then it will give character design, then 10 image prompts, then 10 video prompts with voiceover lines. So guys, everything is ready in front of you now. Without wasting any time, let's move to the tool. So guys, today, the tool we are going to use is called Flova AI. Find the link in the description, simply open the link and open the tool. After opening, you will see a very clean and beautiful dashboard of Flova AI with a very nice interface. First of all, you need to log in. And let me tell you, this tool provides free credits so you can create many videos, and also your weekly credits keep getting added, and you also receive bonus credits. And if you share this tool with your friends and they sign up, you will also get referral credits. This is one of the best AI tools for free generation. As you can see, my plan is completely free, and I currently have 1,000 credits, and with these credits, we will create a video today. Now, if we talk about the interface, first of all, you get a working with AI section. Just like ChatGPT, where you can type anything and it will generate results. So guys, as you can see on the screen, there is a plus icon right here. Once you click on this plus icon, you will unlock multiple options including image, audio, video, and text. From here, you can upload an image and instantly turn it into a video, or you can upload audio and create content from it as well. Then you have the video option, which supports formats like MP4, MOV, AVI, WebM, MKV, and many more. You can upload files up to 500 megabytes, which is perfect for short-form content. Now here's the powerful part. You also get a text option that allows you to generate videos directly from text. Yes, you can create full videos just by pasting your script. Simply paste your text, click generate, and your video will be ready within moments. And yes, you can also directly upload or recreate viral videos. And by doing this, you can create highly trending content if done the right way. So basically, everything is available in one place. First of all, simply click on video, then upload a reference video that you want to regenerate in a different style. After that, you can enter any prompt. For example, I'll type, "Please generate a different version." Then just click on generate. Once you click, the system will fully analyze your video. First, it analyzes the content, then it asks what type of output you want. Based on that, it generates images, refines them, and creates improved visuals. After that, it starts generating the video automatically. Finally, your complete video will appear on the timeline where you can easily edit it. Once you're satisfied, you can simply export the final result.
Oh, beautiful. Yes. Hi, nice to meet you. What brings you here? Oh, I'm a tourist. That's awesome. I'm a Gemini. Oh.
So guys, this is how you can create a new video from a reference video. Now let's move on and create a video directly from scratch. Now first we start the video. Creation. I go to Models, then Image section. And from here I select Nano Banana Pro. You can also select Nano Banana 2 if you want. After that, you need to take a screenshot of the character from the channel I showed earlier and upload it here as a reference image. After uploading the reference image, you need to go to ChatGPT and paste the character design prompt. Then I also paste an image prompt for analysis. Then I go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompts, and again come back to the tool and paste them here and simply click on Generate. Once you click Generate, the dashboard will start creating the storyboard. First, it will generate creative brief and visual planning and give you 3 options to select from. it automatically starts with 9:16 ratio and creates the storyboard. Then it creates the creative brief including voiceover type, which is narrative-driven, and analyzes everything required for the video. Then it will ask you what type of video you want. Now, as you can see, it has created the creative brief including project name, video type, target audience, output, language, video style, and sound effects. Below that, you will find more tools like Sora 2 for multi-short videos and continuous storyboard for first and last frame where your video ends and starts smoothly. Here I select Sora 2, then again you go to ChatGPT and copy the story and character prompt and paste it here in Flova AI. Again, I am telling you, select Sora 2 model for video generation because it is the best. Then you will see elements and multiple models here. After that, simply click on Generate. Once you click Generate, the analyzing process will start again, and it will prepare the video using Sora 2. Again, it creates project details, output language, and storyboard, and also adds sound effects and video duration. Then it asks for confirmation, so I click Confirm. Once I click Confirm, the script generation starts, and within a few seconds, it prepares the full script. Like the day I tried to be productive, including style, format, tone, and pacing, I selected 16-second short video and also generated long videos and short videos. Then it adds visual focus, voiceover narration, and everything. And after that, as you can see, the storyboard generation has started, so we just wait for it. Then guys, as you can see, the visual generation path has started generating. After that, in a short time, it will set all the scene settings, animation style, magic, and resolution. Then it will ask you 3 things. First, it will ask pause at key checkpoint for configuration. Then it will ask execute the entire process at once. And third, it will ask process step by step. Out of these, the best option is the first one, which is pause at key checkpoint, because it allows you to stop wherever you want and confirm each step. So I select option 1 and click on generate again. As soon as I click generate, the visual assets start analyzing and it begins generating prompts, assets, and configurations. Then it starts generating the first element, which is the character. As you can see, it has started generating the character, and within a few seconds it will be ready. So guys, wait for a moment, it is analyzing. And now, you can see the consistent character exactly like the channel we discussed has been generated, and it looks amazing. Then again, it gives 3 options. Generate all scene images, animate the first scene immediately, or generate the background visuals. First, I want to generate images, so I select option 1 and click Generate. Again, Flova AI starts analyzing visual assets and generating prompts. Then it prepares 4 shorts for us. First 10 seconds, second 10 seconds, third 12 seconds, and fourth 8 seconds. After that, it analyzes again and starts generating prompts which will be ready in a short time. Then you will see an upgrade option. If you upgrade, your multitask image generation will become faster. Now, as you can see, the image generation has started, and within a few moments, the first image is ready and it looks super amazing. And now all images are generated and ready, which look very impressive. You can download them and even use them for thumbnails. After that, it asks again, animate all scenes, generate narration and background music, or animate the first scene. So, I select animate all scenes. As soon as I click it, the generation starts and the audio also starts generating. After a short wait, the narration is ready and it sounds amazing. Then the background sound and effects also get generated. Now you can see everything including audio and sound effects is ready. After that, it shows animate all scenes via Sora 2, so I select option 1. As soon as I click it, the AI agent Flova AI starts analyzing all information and generating prompts, which may take 1 to 2 minutes. Then it asks for confirmation that this task will consume more than 500 credits. I have enough credits, so I click continue. After that, the 4 shorts start generating, which takes some time. And once generated, it shows assemble the final video. So I select it and again, click generate. Now the video is being assembled on the timeline and will be ready shortly. As you can see, the final video is ready and you can analyze and edit it from here if needed. You do not need to add transitions or sound effects because everything is already generated, including background music. But if you want extra editing, you can use software like CapCut, which I use in my previous videos. Here you also get the export option. If you click export, you will see 3 options including video file and PR file. PR file is for Adobe Premiere Pro where you can edit professionally, but I simply download the video file. As you can see, the download is complete and the video is ready. You can preview it again.
Be productive. I made a to-do list with 10 tasks. Step 1, clean my room. But then I found my old headphones. Let me just check one song. One song turned into 10. Then I got hungry. I'll just eat quickly. That turned into a full meal, plus snacks, plus scrolling. Now it was afternoon. I looked at my list again. Still 10 tasks, 0 done. I sighed. Okay, now I'll start. But then, I opened YouTube. 1 video, 2 videos, 3 videos. Suddenly, it was night. I looked at my list again. Still untouched. I smiled and said, all right, tomorrow is my day.
I'm awake. Yes. Perfect.
So guys, you saw how easily this tool generated a super amazing video. Now if we talk about plans first, there's a free plan which gives weekly 100 credits and 200 bonus credits. Then there is a starter plan which is around $16 per month with 20% off. Then there are basic and pro plans with 14% and 31% discounts. And if we talk about monthly plans, it starts from $19 and goes higher. You can upgrade any plan for faster generation. Otherwise, the free plan also works. So guys, today you saw how we generated a full video using Flova AI with Nano Banana 2 and Sora 2 multi-shots in a full 2D cartoon animation style. So go to Flova AI, upgrade your account, choose any plan, create videos, and go viral. If you liked today's video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.